What is going on, guys? Now, as you can see, the engine is together. Let's just rewind and go back to the beginning. Okay. What's up, guys? We are here on this crazy snow day and it is a lot of snow out, and we are gonna go drifting because there's nothing else to do. And it's kind of hard to film a video with about 2 feet of snow outside right now, and it's just coming down a lot. So I'm gonna show you what it looks like. We're gonna try to find an empty parking lot to just enjoy ourselves and have some fun drifting the 4Runner and see what this baby can do. We're the only ones on the street.